Okay guys, in this tutorial we're gonna talk about linked lists. So practically why that thing is important and how it is different than array list. Well, with linked list you have dedicated methods how to put stuff at the first place, at the start of list and at the end of list, without actually caring about, let's say, random elements in it. So sometimes you're gonna use array lists and sometimes linked lists, but there you go. So let's practically handle this stuff. Anyway, so import Java utilities add list, not lists, just list. Okay, so now when we have it prepared, let's create one list. Linked a list. What is the data type? We're gonna choose to be string, and what will be name of that list? P1 languages, just like when we were working with array list. A new linked list. Don't forget normal parentheses, and we do have object at the moment. Did I type that correctly? P1 languages. I think I typed that. I need to get glasses. Languages. Yeah, right. Something like that. So yeah, let's add stuff in it. What is the target? And I don't know how to type, so I'm gonna copy paste a lot here. planguages.add, just like when you're doing stuff with array list, and couple of strings here. So I'm gonna copy paste this, let's say 3 times for 3 elements. For example, Java and Lisp and C++. And of course we need to see results. System out println that p languages, to see do I have problem with typing, with syntax. Okay, at least I have something done correctly today. So how exactly we are going to put something before Java without caring about indexes manually, let's say? Well, what is the target? P languages, and this time we're gonna use dedicated method which will be add first. So add first. See, you have it down there in the drop down. Add first, and of course we need to provide specific value like prolog. And to save a little bit of time, I'm gonna copy paste this line. So prolog will be first, or as they say, at position 0. Okay, what about if we want to add something totally at the end without caring about where that thing is when we talk about position? So just at the end of list. Well, we are pretty much going to again target absolutely same list, of course, but we're gonna say add last, and value will be ada, let's say ada, and again we will steal this instruction, and result will be ada at the end of list. There you go. So how many times you can use this? Well, numerous times, and the order will be preserved. So run, and there you go. So let me just keep one operational, one line. Okay. Well, how we are going to get something that is first and last? Well, using dedicated methods. So this was for adding stuff or elements, and now we are going to say get stuff. Get stuff by targeting p languages dot get first element, of course without any kind of attributes here because they are not needed. This is standalone method that will get the stuff done. Right, it will return the first element in this list, of course. So let's do this, and what we will see down there, pretty much nothing, because we are not using this in a bigger operation, which will be system out println bracket and little bit of custom report, first element we will concatenate that with returned value. So I need to close this and run, and prolog will be, of course, on first one. What about last thing, last element? Well, we will just use dedicated method to do that, which will be dot get last, and of course we need to change this to last element. Of course, this is just a report, we didn't change anything, just a report. So when you use this instruction, we're gonna see all those elements preserved. See, prolog Java Lisp C++ ADA, and order is preserved here. We are just grabbing stuff with these two lines. Well, how we are going to remove those things? Extremely easy. Operation will be done on P languages. This is actual operation, so we don't need any kind of report now on this line. So P languages dot R remove first. If we want to remove prolog, okay, remove first without attributes, and also immediately we're gonna say P languages dot remove remove last, and when we fire this, you don't see result because we are not using this instruction. So let's put it down there, and now we will just be like at, you know, when we were starting with tutorial, we will just have 3 of these, because remove first will remove prolog and remove last will remove ADA. Yep, that's pretty much it. So let me confirm that, run, and there you go. So this is a starting point and this is ending point, and we have bunch of operations in the middle. So I think this is you know, relatively easy tutorial to grasp. Let's comment this, remove stuff. Okay, so you're gonna use array list when you care about, let's say, positions, like position 0 and 3 and 5 and 10. But if you don't care about positions, you just want to get stuff done with the first element and with the last element, then you can use linked lists. Okay, that's pretty much it in this tutorial. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next one. Why do you have this thing? Oh, data type. String must be in here. Okay, there you go. Nice. Thank you. See you next one. Ciao.